This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to breakdance easily. To begin, focus on mastering the fundamental top rock steps, which are your standing movements. These help you build rhythm and connect with the music. Next, practice the 6-step footwork, a crucial ground-based sequence. Finally, learn a basic freeze, like the chair freeze, holding it for a few seconds. Consistent practice of these core elements will establish a strong foundation for your breakdancing journey. Once you have the basics, it is time to develop more dynamic movements. Start by learning the baby freeze, which requires significant core strength and balance. Then, gradually introduce power moves like the windmill, focusing on controlled rotation and proper form. Remember to connect your moves with smooth transitions, allowing your body to flow with the music. Building strength and flexibility through regular exercise is key to mastering these advanced techniques. Breakdancing is not just about executing moves, it is also about expressing yourself. Develop your personal style by experimenting with different variations of footwork and freezes. Do not be afraid to try new combinations and make them your own. Let the music guide your movements and allow your personality to shine through. Observing experienced dancers can provide endless inspiration, helping you discover new ways to move and create your signature style. Consistent practice is the most important factor for improvement in breakdancing. Try to dedicate at least 30 minutes every day to drilling your moves and exploring new ones. Recording yourself can be incredibly helpful, allowing you to analyze your technique and identify areas for improvement. Joining a local breakdance community offers invaluable support and opportunities to learn from others. Remember, patience and persistence are crucial. Celebrate small victories and enjoy the journey of becoming a skilled breakdancer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.